Good morning, dear students. I'm Shivani Miss, your English teacher. Today we are here to discuss our English portion of FA2. Okay, so firstly we will discuss about the grammar portion. It is a in one short video for your revision. Okay, so these are the topics which are included in your examination. Okay, first one, what? Parts of speech. Parts of speech. The second one is sentences. The third one is nouns. Okay, so let's start. Okay, you can also write down these things in your copy. Okay, look, dear students, what are parts of speech? What are parts of speech? All the words of English are divided into 8 groups. All the words of English are divided into 8 groups according to the work they perform in a given sentence. According to the work they perform in a given sentence are called as what? Parts of speech, right? All the words of English are divided into 8 groups according to which they perform in a given sentence is called as what? Parts of speech, right? There are basically 8 of them, as I told you earlier, right? So what are they? They are noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverbs, conjunction, preposition, and what? Interjunction. Okay, so we will discuss about one by one. Okay, so firstly, what are nouns, dear students? So noun, a name of person, place, animal, or thing is called as what? Noun. A name of person, place, animal, and thing are called what? Noun. Okay. For example, you can see mountains, teacher, freedom, laptop, friendship, tornado. These are what? Nouns. Basically, these are what, Babu? These are the names. In short, what we say? We say nouns are what? Naming word, right? So noun are what? They are the name of person, place, animal, and thing. Okay. And the next one is what? Next one is pronoun. So what are pronouns? The pronouns are the words which come in the place of what? Noun. Pronoun are what? They are the words which comes in the place of noun. Okay. Understood? These are basically what? These are the words which will come in the place of noun. As for example, you can see here it, she, he, we, etc. Okay, here we can see a pronoun is a word that replaces a noun to avoid repetition. These are the words which will replace a noun to avoid what? Repetition. Okay, pronoun will basically avoid the repetition of a noun. Okay, as like Ram is a good boy. We take example. Okay, Ram is a what? Good boy. Here Ram is what? It is a noun, right? Why? Because it is a name. After that we tell he loves to play cricket. To play what? Cricket. Here he is included for whom? Here he is included for Ram, right? So these are the words which comes in the place of noun and avoid the repetition. Okay, here you can write the examples: he, she, it, he, she, it, I, etc. Okay, now the next one is what? Adjective. we will discuss about adjective first. After that, we will come to verb. So what are adjectives, Babu? Adjective are the words which qualifies which qualify a noun or a pronoun, right? Adjective are the word which qualifies a noun or pronoun. It means कि adjective क्या है? ये एक ऐसा शब्द है जो किसी संज्ञा या सर्वनाम की विशेषताओं को बताती है. ठीक है? It can be of any type quality. Okay, bad quality, good quality. Okay. For example, you can see bright, cheerful, ancient, narrow, spicy, golden. We can include this in sentences also as like Ram is a good boy. Here good is what? It is the quality of Ram, na? Okay, that good is telling the quality of Ram, therefore it is what? It is a adjective. It is an adjective. Okay. The next one is verbs. What are verbs? These are the action word. These are the action word. It will tells us a state of being or an event. It will tells us about a state of being or an event. It is an basically action word. Okay. It will tell you about any action as like jump, eat, okay, drink. These are what? These are action word. Because they are showing action, na, that what a person is doing, right? Babu, along with this, we have talked about helping verb and main verb also na, in the classes. Helping verb are what? They are the verb which comes before main verb to make the sentence what? Proper, okay, appropriate. And if the main verb is not present in the sentence, then helping verb become what? It becomes main verb. Okay, understood? Now moving to the next topic, it is what? Adverb. What are adverb? These are the words which will modify a verb, an adjective or any another adverb, right? These are the words basically which modifies a verb, an adjective or any another adverb. Okay, dear students. For example, you can see gently, tomorrow, outside, very, really, almost. These are the examples of adverbs. Okay. Now, moving to the next topic, this is what? Conjunction. So, what are conjunction? Conjunction are basically those words which joins two words or sentences together. Conjunction are those words which joins two words or sentences what? Together. Okay. As like Ram and Shyam, Shita and Geeta. Okay. Next one is preposition. The preposition are what? These are the words which tells relationship of a noun or pronoun to other words in a sentence. As like example, you can see although, unless, while, yet, so, that, whether. These are what? Preposition, dear students. I hope you all are understanding very properly. Okay. Now, the next one and the last topic in parts of speech is interjunction. What is interjunction? An interjection is a word or short phrase used to express what? Look, the word emotion. It is used to express what? Emotion or reaction. It will show what? Emotion, reaction or any sudden feeling, right? As like wow, yuck, oh no, bravo. Okay, these are what? Interjections. Okay, it will show your sudden feeling. As like wow, what a beautiful movie it was. What a beautiful frock it is. Okay. Now, our next topic which is included in your examination is noun. So basically, what are nouns, Babu? A noun is a name of what? Person, place, animal or thing, right? Noun are what? These are the name of person, place, animal or thing. For example, you can see Ram, the Taj Mahal. Okay. Now, there are 5 kinds of noun we study today. Okay, we will study today 5 kinds of noun. They are what? Common noun, proper noun, collective noun, abstract noun, and last one is material noun. There are 5 kinds of noun: proper noun, common noun, collective noun, abstract noun, and what? Material noun. Hopefully, I think that you have understand these kinds of noun. So, firstly, we will discuss about the common noun. Dear students, what are common noun? A general name of a person. It is what? A general name. Note this word, general. It is a general name of person, place, or thing. Okay, for example, you can see boy, city, teacher, book, etc. Okay. Now moving to the next one, it is proper noun. What is it? Proper noun. So what are proper noun? A specific name. Note down the word a specific. In common noun, what I have taught, it is a general name of person, place. But in the proper noun, what I have discussed, that it is a specific name of what? Person, place, or things. For example, you can see Rahul, India, Delhi, Ganga. These are what? These are proper noun. Why? Because they are what? Particular. Right? They are what? Particular. Okay. Now our next topic is what? Collective noun. A word used for a group of people or thing are called as what? Collective noun, which will show about what? It will show about the collection of a group of person, place, animal, or thing together. Okay. As like we take example what? Jury, right? Jury, class, school. School is used for group of fish, right? School is used for group of fishes. So these are what? These are collective noun. Okay. These are what? Collective noun. Now moving to the next topic. Our next topic is what? It is abstract noun. A noun that names idea, feeling, or quality are called as what? Abstract noun. As like honesty, happiness, love, courage. These are what? These are a type of ideas, feelings, or quality, right? Therefore, they are included in what? Abstract noun. We have discussed it earlier also, and I have also discussed these things in your classroom. But still, I am discussing it once again so that you can revise it, okay, for your coming examination. So make sure कि आप सभी इस चीज को अच्छे से clarify कर लो. And the next one is material noun. What is material noun? A noun that names some material or substance is called as what? Material noun. As you can see, gold, water, silver, wood. Okay, these are what? These are material noun. Here you can see, here I have mentioned some tips for you. Common noun what? General name. As I have mentioned it here also. Common noun, general name. Proper noun, a specific name, or it is also a particular name. Okay, particular name. Collective noun, group of people, things, etc. Abstract noun, idea or quality. Material noun is what? Substances. I hope you understand this. Okay. Now moving to the next topic, that is sentences. Dear students, I have discussed about sentences also, and sentences has been included in your FA2 examination. Okay. So what are sentences? A group of words forming together or giving together a complete sense is called as what? Sentences, right? These are the groups of words which gives a complete sense. Okay. Are called as what? Sentence. These are the type which have been mentioned in your book. In addition, I have also taught you a type which is optative. Okay, we will discuss about it also in the last. Okay, so firstly we will discuss about declarative sentence. So what are declarative sentences, dear student? These are statements. These are basically what? Statements. These are statements and in general sentences. As like, it was a bright and sunny day. Okay, it was a bright and sunny day. Or the sun rises in the east. These are what? A type of declarative sentence, because these declare that the sun rises in which direction? It rises in the east direction. Okay. After that, the next one is imperative sentences. And imperative sentences gives a command, order, suggestion, advice. Okay, these are the sentences which will give you command, order, suggestion or advice. By using these sentences, we give what? We give advice to someone, we suggest something to someone, right? As like you can see here, it can a period of or exclamation marks. It can sorry, I hope यहाँ पे आप लोगों को दिख नहीं रहा होगा, कोई नहीं. Let me take another example, okay? Let me take another example. Wait a minute. Okay. Here we see